as well. So hope the kiddos enjoy the last few days here of break, obviously through the weekend and into early part of next week as we begin the new year next Monday. Let's talk about travel leading up to the new year. Across the country right now, we continue to have that storm system spin across the heartland. It's still bringing snow to portions of the plains, even a little snow in around the St. Louis and Missouri areas as well. This thing's going to keep slowly spinning off to the east here as we head into tomorrow. Rain falling along the east coast, but we continue to stay dry here in North Texas and in Texas as well. We're going to stay that way through the rest of the week and into the weekend as well. So travel on Thursday, totally fine across the western half of the country. A little rain, snow mixture across portions of the Midwest. Some rain will continue across the East Coast as well. Friday, that same storm system just kind of continues to spin, bringing a little rain parts of Illinois, Iowa, into Tennessee and Kentucky as well. A little snow up in New England. We'll continue to be dry here in Texas, and there might be a little rain along the west coast there. Saturday, as we get closer to the new year, rain along the west coast. Middle part of the country is finally dry. East Coast fairly dry at that point as well. And for your New Year's Eve, pretty quiet across most of the country, looking better than things were kind of in that Christmas, post-Christmas time frame where we have that storm that continues to spin across the middle part of the country, but that thing is gone, so pretty quiet as we usher, or I guess as we end 2023. Pretty warm in parts of Texas. Look at Brownsville, up to 78 on New Year's Eve. Today, we weren't anywhere close to that. We were 51, which is actually below normal for this time of the year. The low this morning was 41, which was actually above normal. Overall, it was just a cool to chilly day, but we've been as warm as 82 on this day. 48 right now, feels like 44. The wind continues to be out of the north. That's kind of a reinforcing shot of cool air. That's why today was cooler than yesterday. Fortunately, it really doesn't help us out with mountain cedar, which will continue to be out there until we really start to green up in the spring and we get rid of that mountain cedar, which, like I said, doesn't really happen until kind of the March time frame. So if you're suffering from that, unfortunately, you got a couple months left to go before we'll get rid of the mountain cedar. Tomorrow morning, freezing temperatures possible, or around freezing temperatures, I should say. A light freeze possible across the area. I don't see, those upper 20s or anything like that, but I do see, maybe 31, 32, 33 across North Texas. Cold, no matter where you are, with the wind chill likely below freezing. And then tomorrow afternoon, a little cooler than today even, because we'll have some cloud cover around. So today we didn't have any clouds. Sunshine allowed us to warm us up to 51, but with some passing clouds during the day tomorrow, that'll hold down that temperature a little bit, mid to upper 40s to maybe touching 50 degrees. And another day where we are below normal tomorrow afternoon. Friday's a little closer to normal, though. 54 the high. It's 2 degrees below normal. And then I got 60s for the last weekend and the last couple of days of 2023, the warmest of which being the last day of the year. 63 for the high before another front moves in and cools us off for New Year's Day with another high of around 49. But that front will not bring us any rain, so your New Year's Eve celebrations will be totally fine. It'll be in the 50s or so at 7 o'clock, and then by the time you're rolling into the new year, it'll be down into the 40s with clear skies. That temperature will drop pretty quickly your New Year's Eve evening and into New Year's night. Light freeze, or New Year's Eve night, I guess I should say. Light freeze possible, 32 will be your low, and then tomorrow dry, chilly, and breezy, 49 will be your high. 60s for the upcoming weekend. No rain to speak of as we end 2023, but next week, several disturbances roll through, and that brings us some rain chances. Kind of the first one maybe Tuesday and a Wednesday. Next is one Friday and a Saturday, and the next one after that would be in that Tuesday, Wednesday time frame of the second week of January there. You can see chilly mornings followed by cool afternoons, but I don't have anything cold enough right now for winter weather worries, but it is that time of the year. We'll watch all of that very closely as we get closer, because sometimes all it takes is 2 or 3 degrees in either direction, and all of a sudden we're dealing with winter weather. Yeah. Not putting that out there right now. I'm just saying it is January and it's supposed to be cold this time of year.
Let's not speak that into existence.
No, I'm not speaking in existence. I'm just saying it is the winter.
Sure.
Pete did this last week. We had this whole discussion of don't even talk about it. Like, don't even bring it up, because the moment you throw it out there, it's like the reverse jinx. Just don't talk about it.
Yeah,
okay?
we're going to just bury our heads in the sand and pretend
I'll just start putting triple digits in 105 again.
Why not? It has the same chance.
That'll make everybody happy.
Jonah.